Hi guys and welcome back to Pearl Property Channel. Today we are at a very interesting townhouse and I'm here with a very interesting lady as well.
Hello. Our location is on Na Chom Thien, so this is the new project. I would say townhouse, but the design they make really nice and every house have swimming pool. So we call like a luxury townhouse, I would say.
Yes, so we have one living room, one swimming pool, 2 bedrooms.
2 bedroom, 3 bathroom, and then whole project 108 house.
Oh wow, big project. And
Yes.
it's in Na Chom Thien, so we are very close to the upcoming Icon Siam shopping mall, to the Ocean Marina Yacht Club and to many nice restaurants including the Glass House as well.
Yes, close to Motorway as well. Every house have similar size, 104 square meter of the land and the full house size.
I think without further ado, let's have a look inside. Follow us.
Let's go.
Alright, here you have a cute little entrance. You can also close it and
Yes.
open it. And you have also a,
Front garden.
yes.
You can even set up here, has like a small chair for outdoor garden.
We get greeted immediately with a lofty living room.
Yeah, actually the design of house and the ceiling is quite high, so it makes the house not small at all. So you have a sofa set, like living room zone, and the house comes with fully furnished
And wait until we tell you the price.
until the end of the video. You have TV cabinet, TV.
Yes. And then over here we have terrace swimming pool.
This one is nice.
Nice outdoor, where you probably put like also like a ceiling fan here. Have also some like a pool deck around. Have some area there for the sun chair as well. Swimming pool is 3 by 5 meters. And on the back we also see jungle view.
Greenery zone.
Greenery,
Nice.
greenery.
And you even have like terrace zone here, so you can have outdoor sofa set.
In the living room we have one more guest toilet. Also comes with a nice corner sink with the marble. An automatic toilet.
And the
a
shower as well.
rain shower.
Next zone is kitchen zone, little kitchen zone. I mean, like, of course, you can add on your cooking, like hot pot, like really cook. But this one, what they give, like a basic kitchen.
If you plan to go to the restaurant normally, then this kitchen is more than enough. We even have a microwave here
And hot water.
and a fridge.
Yes.
This way will bring you all the way up to the bedroom area.
There are 2 bedrooms on second floor. You will not believe it how nice of the bedroom.
And we're going up the spiral staircase. Follow us. Alright, here we are on the
So you
second
have
floor.
circle staircase.
Yes.
And then-
And we have a chandelier above
beautiful
the spiral staircase.
Mhm.
To our right hand side is the first bedroom, which we also can consider as a guest bedroom.
Actually, the bedroom size pretty nice.
Also, nice floor to ceiling windows. Good
Right.
view. And we have here enough space to put even a king size bed. Nice headboard. Even have here some LED stripe. Also comes all with this built-in wallpaper, kind of
Exactly.
like a panels,
Mhm.
textile panels.
The bathroom with the toilet, rain shower, and the sinks. I would say for this size of house, what you get as a bedroom is quite amazing.
On that side, TV and TV cabinet, small vanity table, maybe. Bedside tables, also enough space. Here we have open wardrobe, but of course you can close it with some doors, including Louis Vuitton bags, boxes.
And this is another bedroom. This one is even bigger size. So I would call this one as a master bedroom. The design, I would say the same. The
Same.
space is more or less more. And you
Bigger.
even have balcony.
Nice balcony with swing chair. Also here, nice to see, always a good touch. LED stripes on the headboard, kind of comfortable headboard. Built-in wooden panels also comes included in the price. TV, and then even over there on side here, also pretty spacious wardrobe as well with some drawers there.
The bathroom size bigger as well. So you have marble top of the sink, counter, big glass shower room with the glass door room, the toilet which is nice design, door wood quite nice. The floor is the ceramic tile floor, wood color design.
Alright guys, so that was it about the very nice townhouse.
Yes, luxury townhouse, I would say.
Mm-hmm.
So the price of this house, now they have pre-sale price 4.99 million baht, includes swimming pool and fully furnished.
Very good price.
Yes.
So for living and also maybe investment.
Exactly, they are separate two zones. I would say again, this is the pre-sale price. So in the price list, you will see start from 5.19 plus the furniture 490. So you pay around 5.6 or 5.7. But now pre-sale price includes furniture 4.99. There are two zones for investment and for residential. Total in the village 108 house. So if you would like to buy for investment, you can choose the investment zone where they would like to rent out as a pool villa. But if you would like to buy for living, you can choose the residential zone. Of course, it's quiet and you can live by yourself. Their clubhouse in the project includes swimming pool, gym, restaurant. You can use wherever you buy the house. You can use the clubhouse even you buy for residential or investment. This is like very good deal. Now they are starting to building already 6-7 house and they will continue building it.
If you want like a very nice house for living or investment, also rental guarantee 6%, right, for investment. I think this one is a very good choice here because normally one bedroom already around 5 million, but here you get a townhouse with private swimming pool and 2 bedrooms. Very good deal. Guys, we put as always the listing link in the video description below. Please check it out. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Subscribe to our channel and as always, see you guys on next Sunday. Thank you very much.